Hey guys, today we have a knife made by Michael J. Smith. Um, he's been making knife for over 23 years, and his work is really a piece of art. Um, this particular knife, is called Moe, M-O-E, and it's a gentleman's knife. It doesn't come with pocket clips because it really doesn't need it. Um, it has a Privan uh, elephant ivory, which is very well polished, no cracks or dents on both sides, and the creamy color is really nice. The bolster is 416 stainless steel because the stainless steel goes the color goes better with the ivory, and it's more scratch resistant than titanium. And since weight saving is not an issue here, so we don't need to use all titanium uh, materials here. It uses a real garnet. It's like ruby, but it's not expensive as ruby. But it's really well cut and inserted, as you can see there. The knife opens really smoothly. It's about 2.75 inches long, and it's very sharp and feels really nice in the hand. No jimping, but it's a gentleman's knife, so you're not going to do hard work with it. It has a Damascus uh, file backspacer, which is really nice. The file work it's done uh, really proportional, as you can see there. Okay, the joints here on the stainless and the ivory is very well made. There are no spaces in between. As you can see, the ivories, they are cut at the same amount of thickness. His name is inside. I don't know if you can see it, but right there it says Michael J. Smith engraved inside. Um, the liners inside here, it's gold anodized, and that is titanium, and it has jeweled uh, polishing. It doesn't show here, but it's really well made. I don't know if you can see it over there. The log is perfect, no movement when it's locked, and it's pretty easy to disengage and no sticking. Knife centered, and it's very light. It's about I'll say what, 2 ounces, 2.5 ounces, and all the corners, it's very well polished. There are no sharp edges and no sticky uneven parts. This knife is really well made, with a very high polished blade and bolsters. The connection is really well made also. I got it on the forums, and at a very nice price, the price I couldn't resist. And usually his knives are very expensive, but I think he's doing some give backs, so every month he's going to have a very how do you say, discounted price on one of his knives. So remember to check his website and get one of these knives. This is one of the most perfect knife that I have received. And just to do a quick comparison with Chris Reeves 90, it's about the same size. Although I think Mo is a little bit slimmer. One's liner lock, the other one, this one is frame lock. Both lock up really great. Flow back through, back spacer. About the same blade length. Thickness wise, I think Mo is a little bit thicker, just a little. Okay. And it comes with a bronze phosphorus washer, which makes this extremely smooth, really smooth. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Um, and let me know if you have any questions. And Michael is very communicative in terms of emails. And if you have any questions, you can email him or go to his website, which I forget the address, but you can search in Google Michael J. Smith Knives. And a lot of his knife is not in the gallery, so I mean a lot of goodies is not on his website, but he's taking orders. So if you have a particular knife or materials in mind, you can email him and see if you can come up with something nice. Alright, thank you. Bye.